Today, as an e-reader, there are many current functions it has. It has a 6-inch touchscreen, which is very convenient due to the size. It's easy to read. It has search capabilities. You're able to search through the book to find certain text. It has internal memory and expandable memory, which allows you to add more pictures, more music, and more PDFs to read. It has 5 adjustable sizes depending on how big you like your text, and the battery life is about 2 weeks, which is very convenient since you don't have to charge it so much. For a Sony e-reader to work in a college setting, there are some essential functions that it needs to have. It needs to have wireless sync or backup. If you have notes and text, you don't want to lose your text in case you lose it. It has to back up to your computer or an internet source. And about the notes, you need your notes to correlate with the book. So you would be able to get the notes and the textbook together. You'll have wireless access to textbooks, assignments, and classwork through your teacher, who might be able to email them, or you could download PDFs. And a seamless page transition to make going from page to page quick, easier, and less annoying.
The e-reader's future in college life. Advantages for the students would be portability. It's really small and just easy to put in your backpack, and it's a lot easier than big heavy textbooks. Less money is spent on hard copy texts. Just by using the e-reader, you would have cheaper textbooks to be able to download. You wouldn't have to actually buy the bigger textbooks, which would be a good benefit for students who usually spend hundreds of dollars a semester on them. It saves time in class. For teachers who want to pass out notes or quizzes, if you put them online, students can download them right onto their e-reader. And they save paper and ink for the university, which is always a good thing, because I'm sure universities spend a lot of money on paper and ink and a lot of wasted paper. Advantages for professors. Professors can make notes easily available online, so the students can download them right onto there, so they don't have to print them off, and they're always accessible. All students have the access to the notes and assignments in and outside of class. So if you weren't in class, teachers can put up the notes afterward. You can still get them. It's a lot easier than trying to get to the professor and trying to get the notes that way, or copying from another student. Expanded possibilities for test taking. If teachers are crunched on time or something, easy quizzes, you can submit it online, and then if you were able to write on your Sony e-reader with kind of like a pen and pad, you would be able to submit that back, and that would be easier grading. It would also mean you can take quizzes when you're not actually in class, like take-home quizzes. It's just easier for the teacher. They don't have to deal with the hassle of papers. And e-readers eliminate the need for laptops, which a lot of times laptops are an annoyance for teachers and for other students, and also they are distractions for students. So if you had an e-reader, you wouldn't be able to go on, Facebook and things like that. That would take you away from class. So that would keep you focused on your work.
Some of the advantages for the university is, like we talked about before, the elimination of paper handouts, which reduces waste. When you have classes like big lectures where teachers are having you buy the notes either in booklet form or whatever, that's a lot of paper that could easily be put on an e-reader. We're advancing into a technological age, so just to go alongside with that, almost everything is done through computers and whatnot now. So having an e-reader would just enable you to go alongside of that and keep up with the times in a sense. And also more productive students, like we said, just eliminating laptops, distractions, less books to carry around that way, so just lighter load for walking all over campus. And also having e-libraries, so moving towards not necessarily